When you want to connect to your status people and when you want to know who all are watching your WhatsApp status, so in this video I'm going to show it to you how you can see your status viewing people. For example, if you are posting your status can be posted after chats, get into status, and this status you will be having these many members in your contacts. You can post any status to all these people. So for example, if you want to write something, you can use this symbol, or if you want to add your photograph, a selfie, you can go to your photo here. So I would like to write something like Good Friday. Today is Good Friday, so I'm writing Good Friday. So you can change these colors also by going to this symbol, this symbol, this symbol, this symbol. So this color can be changed. After that, you can straight away, what you can do, you can just post this one, Good Friday, so that your status has been set and sending to your contacts. So once it is sent, obviously just it is sent just now, and you can see who all are watching your status from here only. Just tap on here, you will be getting viewers list here at the end. This is 0 members have viewed, and when you want to see who all are seeing your WhatsApp status, this will be indicating. So one person has seen, like that so many others will be watching your status, and you will be coming to know who all are seeing your WhatsApp status. See, second person has seen, like that everyone, whenever they see the status, will be updated, and all those persons list you'll be able to see here. So I hope this is clear from my end. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next one. Till then, bye bye. Subscribe the channel, like and share the video for more such valuable content in the future too. Thank you so much.